everyone, so this is the 4th day of the World Championship cubing competition and the 3rd day of competing. And I think my voice has been very strained because now it's really low. Alright, so now I'm going to try out the consolation round here, and this time I'm going to use the Shangshao Aurora to do it. I haven't made a review on this, by the way, but while it's not as good as the Sanchi, it's very well lubricated. It came well lubricated, so I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. Yes! Thanks. Ooh, sub 20, sub 20. There we go. Look at that. That is awesome. Yes. There we go. So 23, 24. Now I couldn't have gotten an average like that for my main. Josh is doing a team blind. Well, now he's doing it one-handed.
No, sorry, you prime. R. U. R prime. L prime. U prime. L.
Alright, looks like he's doing one-handed. Alright, what is this? That is hilarious. Even the cubes, they like popped a corner out so that way they'd stand up.
I called it counted. Yeah, you can tell she's counted it off.
If we had the same amount of parodies you didn't pop, like, it would have been very close. I had very few parodies.
So far I had no parodies.
Oh, you did? Okay, but like, I had one parody. Like, I had 5 parodies first time and then 1 parody this time. We got exactly the same times. It's just like a team of 3 and it pops. It was just like awful.
All I'm thinking of is your now.
156.1, exactly the same as first round. The times, 152, 203, 202, 152. Next round, 152, 203, 202. Same order, same time, same average. But first round I had 5 parodies, this round I won.
All I'm thinking of was...
That's so funny.
Richard slowly.
Back to the other one.
Janet Bettman is going to rewrite Macy's Stage green.
I gotta put that back together pretty fast.
8.5 minutes to bring your cube. 28, solid 2, and golf first hole.
I nearly missed it too. I was like, oh, Felix is going wrong. I'm like, where is he? Where is he? And I got him like halfway through it. Ooh. this is the last day of the cubing competition, and Kevin Hayes here just got a world record average on the 7x7. So tell me, how fast did you need to get the last solve to get the average?
3 minutes, 10 seconds.
10 seconds, and he got a 3:05, was it?
Yeah.
5. Wow, that was amazing.
Thanks.
So I just barely missed the 242 solve that pretty much clinched it for you, right?
Yeah, I mean, I got a 242 that was like, as long as I don't mess up, I'll make it. And then the third solve, I got a pop, so I thought I wasn't gonna hit it.
Oh yeah,
I guess I got it anyways.
So what's the world record for the 7x7 single?
241, 6.
241, so close.
I got my worst feel, because I got a bad G permit.
All right, well, all right, well, thanks for sharing that with me.
No problem.
All right, I'll be seeing you around. Okay. Too late to move it now. Nice, 6.5. Gotta love the camera crew in the background. Ooh, he's proud of that one.
What was it?
An interview?
What's it?
Oh. Yeah, 6.4. Thank you so much for getting in my shot, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, much better. Blindfold is done. Oh, okay, there he goes. Oh, come on, come on, come on! There you go. Oh.
There we go.
1 minute. Oh, not again. Oh. Ooh, so that was pretty painful to watch from all of them. All right, time for the 2x2 finals.
This is the world record holder now. Boom, 2.
painful to watch. Okay, decent. Okay, yeah, there, nice. Ooh.
Yeah, it looks like
Nice. All right, so done with 2x2. Now on to one-handed, the final. Ouch! You just did a DNF. Okay, so we're on to the 4x4 final. Just one more before the 3x3. Is he really gonna put it back together? Nice. Kevin's still working on his. There he goes. I really like his attitude about that. Time for the 3x3 finals. All right, so it sounds like that they're taking away all of the tables except for just 2 of them, and there will be 1 competitor at each, battling it out. Oh, there's the awards.
From Australia, Felix Zepne. That is a 9.76.
So many staff. All right, Mas, how do you think you did?
Well.
Well, okay.
Well.
Could have been better.
Yeah, that's right. You did get a +2.
Yeah, that sucks.
Well, you seem to look pretty good up there. So.
Ah, thanks.
Well, thanks for sharing for this.
Yeah,
or sharing with me.
Also presents prizes, the creator of the pyramid techniques and all these other wonderful creations, the rest of you members. With an average of 3.16 seconds from the United States, your U.S. national champion and your world champion for the pyramid, prove that. Let's have one more round of applause for our pyramid champion. Presenting the award for 2x2x2 speed solve, your world champion from Australia, Cameron Stolberg. Let's have a round of applause for all our 2x2x2 Rubik speed solve champions. Solve is 7x7x7 cube in after 2 minutes and 4.77 seconds. Your United States champion, your world champion, Kevin Hayes. Let's have a round of applause for all our 7x7x7 champions. Solving the 6x6x6 cube in 1 minute 56.14 seconds. Your U.S. national champion and your world champion, Kevin Hayes. And solving the puzzle in 1 minute 1.81 seconds. Your U.S. national champion and your world champion, Kevin Hayes. Let's have a round of applause for our 5x5x5 champion. And solving the 4x4x4 cube in an average of 31.76 seconds. From Australia, your world champion, Felix Hernandez. Have a round of applause for our 4x4x4 champion. And solving the Rubik's Cube with one hand in an average of 14.19 seconds. From Australia, your world champion, Felix Hernandez. Let's have a round of applause for your 3x3x3 one-handed champions. In the first place, solving the Rubik's Cube blindfolded, 29.93 seconds. From Hungary, your world champion, Marcel Entry. Presenting the awards for the fastest holder from each country. Presenting the awards for our 3x3x3 speed solve producing finals. Your organizer, Timothy Reynolds. Your U.S. national champion, solving the Rubik's Cube in 9.73 seconds, Andy Smith. In third place, with an average of 8.86 seconds, from Germany, Sebastian Fire. And finally, with an average of 8.18 seconds, in second place. With an average of 8.65 seconds. From the Netherlands, MacLeod. Now solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in 8.18 seconds. From Australia, your world champion, Felix Zedek. With 1,000 US dollars. Let's have a round of applause for our 3x3 Rubik's Cube champion.
Like there's a big crowd over there, so I don't think I'll be seeing Felix Zemdegs anytime soon for any last words. All right, so Kenneth, how was it?
It was intense.
That was intense. Yeah, and it was an awesome awards ceremony and everything. So, hey, it was great seeing you, man. Yep.
Take care.
Hey, left-handed handshake. Yep.
Okay, take care. I'll see you.
Yep, I'll see you later. So I'm here with Ritteraj. Did I pronounce that right?
Yes.
Okay, so his family gave me a gift from Japan. So go ahead and explain to me what each of these things are.
So this is a famous mountain from Japan. Its name is Mount Fuji.
Okay.
And near this, there's a tower. This is a very famous tower in Japan. This is Cherry Blossom, which is also very famous.
The Cherry Blossom. So what? Do you know what the tower is called?
No.
Okay, that's
It's just
fine.
a famous tower. And there's a stand, so you can put it on a table for decoration and stuff. So
All right.
that's what it is.
All right, well, thanks for giving that to me. I really appreciate it. A little token from Japan. And that concludes the World Championship cubing competition. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. All right, so until next time, guys, see ya.
Have a good one. From the Rubik's Cube World Championship to your home.